Kubor nagaslem jong udongsan hima.
Ka Chief Secretary ka Jilla kong Arvi Suchiang. Kalaong manakalyang ka Sorkar Jilla kan pentip siya kayong bishar, lengba ka kot jing pensisya. Habayaday ba ka jing ti daw yung hanang chigen. Hadin ba ka Megalia High Court kalatuklar habayaday ba ka jing kanok ti daw yung bian, kumbala penmi lang ba kilat patay kubor. Labat ha ya ka Chief Secretary ban ay ka kaipot ka balay nun, habayaday bat ka ni. Kaying bishar kalabarngam ru bakantung da kakenhun kabanwa de ka jing shisha. Lani da ka jing tokit ka bakerpang kenang ban tokit benya bat ban pengad di ke badan ketikat kumkaan. Ka Chief Secretary kalaong bakum balabat ha da kaying bishar on board ya kata. Bat ha ban le da ka kot jing pensisha ban pentip siya yung bishar kat kum kapor babu. Bat kani kaday bat ya kamat kabayaday bat kaneng chigen.
File an affidavit, the steps taken by us. See, there's another and I filed an affidavit and told that has been sent to amicus curiae for examining. So steps have already been taken. So this is an issue which is separate and which I have to file an affidavit before the session. This is specifically on that Neng chicken.